Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today, I wanted to speak to you guys about the KuCoin exchange, some of the pros and cons that come with it, and how you're going to be able to get started using KuCoin. So, when you sign up for KuCoin, I'll put the link down below, and you click on assets over here. It's going to throw you into this page. But before we get into that and how to use the actual platform, let's talk about some of their trading fees. So, their deposits are free. Their spot trading fees are about 0.1% for the maker and 0.1% for the taker. So compared to something like, let's say, Coinbase Pro, they charge 0.5%. And any other exchange that's saying they don't charge any fees, they usually charge about a 1% fee within the spread. So 0.1% on your trades is really good. And you can even reduce that by using their native token to get 20% discount on trading fees. And obviously, they have different tiers for the more volume that you have. So their deposits are going to be free, and their withdrawals do charge a fee for withdrawals. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, I've kind of done the calculations around current prices. It's about $20. But what you can do is convert your crypto into something like, let's say, ADA, Cardano, which has a one ADA fee, which is just a little bit over $1 right now. So you can pay that 0.1% depending on how much crypto you have. It might be advantageous to do that and then go ahead and withdraw. So now that we've covered the fees briefly, let's talk about how we're going to get fiat onto the exchange. So there's three different ways that you can buy crypto or buy fiat with or buy crypto with fiat, and it's going to be fast buy, peer-to-peer, and third party. So I've gone ahead and done these calculations for you, but let's just do an example right here. Let's say we want to buy USDT with $100 in USD. So using a bank card, we're going to have to pay about almost a 4% fee, which is really high, obviously, compared to, let's say, like a 0.5%, when you have on Coinbase because you have free fiat on ramps. So even P2P is going to be even higher. It's going to be about, I think it was about, 14%, 1.14 USD to USDT. And then third party is going to be the same thing about as fast trade, really, just using other platforms to on-ramp fiat, but you're still going to be paying about a 4 to 5% fee. So what is the best way around this? Obviously, a 4 to 5% fee is very steep, and no one really wants to pay that, right? So what I think is the best way, in my opinion, to go ahead and get fiat or start trading on KuCoin is to deposit from another exchange. So typically what I'll do is I'll use Coinbase Pro and I'll buy something that's extremely cheap to transfer like Solana, and I'll go ahead and deposit that. So with Coinbase Pro, you can pay that 0.5% fee to buy Solana. Then you can go ahead and transfer it for basically for free. Solana transfers extremely, extremely quickly and for almost free, pennies. You can go ahead and copy your deposit address here and go ahead and deposit. They'll give you your network confirmations down here, and very soon after you will have Solana. So what can we do with that Solana from there? Well, it's going to go onto your main account from here. It will show main account and show your assets right here. So you can go ahead and hit transfer from your main account to the trading account. And let's say you wanted to go ahead and do Solana, you would change this to Solana. And this is obviously a free, just transferring from your main account to your trading account, and you can go ahead and confirm that. What that's going to do is make sure that it's going to be in your trading account, and it's going to give you the ability to trade using their exchange. So after you've gone ahead and done that, this way you're getting around the fees. You're only paying that 0.5% fee on Coinbase, then moving over to Solana. And yes, then there's going to be some other small fees involved with trading on their exchange, but this way you're going to have, neutralized a lot of the fees. And this is what I found to be the best way to buy altcoins on KuCoin. And this is what I'm currently doing as well when I want to use their exchange. So let's talk about, some of their assets that they offer. I'm not going to cover any or all of them really, but as you can see, there's tons of assets offered here with the USDT pair. I mean, it really just goes on and on and on, hundreds on hundreds. So, if you want layer ones, layer twos, metaverse tokens, they really have everything. And they're going to go ahead and offer their trading spot trading exchange right here. That'll go ahead and pull up another platform, and they also have a trading bot and margin trading, but I don't recommend margin trading for anyone. So let's say you go over here, you transfer over your Solana, you say trade, and then go to spot trading. That'll pull up this right here. So from there, you can pull up this pair, Solana USDT, by clicking here, typing in SOL. That's going to pull up this Solana USDT. So from here, you can enter in a market order, and you're going to once again be paying 0.1%. So let's say I want to sell my Solana into USDT. I would just type in the amount of Solana, hit sell, and that would transfer over my Solana into USDT for a 0.1% fee. So with that being said, you have paid, the 0.5% on Coinbase. Then you're going to be paying another 0.1%, so that would be 0.6%. And then from there, you can go ahead up here, let's say type in USDT, or just even click on USD right here. You can see all their pairs that they offer, right? So let's say you want to buy Mana, Decentraland. You can go ahead and let's pull up a different token that's not offered on Coinbase or many other exchanges. Let's pull up Phantom, right? Phantom's done really well today. You can go ahead and use all their features here, candlesticks, different time frames. You can even add indicators, right? And then from there, you can say, hey, I want to buy Phantom. You can type in the amount of USDT you want to trade, and you hit buy. So from there, you're going to have paid another 0.1% fee. So in total, just to kind of recap everything, you're going to buy Solana on Coinbase Pro. That's going to be a 0.5% fee. Go ahead and deposit it into the exchange for pennies. Then you're going to go ahead and transfer it over to the trading account, pay a 0.1% fee to transfer it into USDT, and then another 0.1% fee to buy whatever altcoin that you want to buy. So that's a 0.7% fee in total. So obviously that's slightly higher than Coinbase because you're going to have to pay that extra 0.1% per trade that you make on here, but 0.1% is extremely marginal, especially in crypto. And obviously the advantage would be that you're buying altcoins that aren't offered on other exchanges since they offer a lot of altcoins. So if you're looking to use a centralized exchange where you can buy, a bunch of different altcoins, I think this is great. Obviously they have, margin trading, trading bots, a few other things I'm not going to cover in this video because I don't think it's very important. But if you guys want me to cover that, let me know in the comments below. So just to recap, I want to talk about a few of the pros and the cons that I came up with here. Really simple. The pros, they have low fees on trades, so 0.1%. They have tons of altcoins that they offer. The cons is there's really high fees when you're trying to deposit fiat, anywhere from 4 to 5% to up to the P2P was like 14%. And you're not automatically earning interest on your crypto like, let's say, Voyager or Celsius. So that's also going to be another con, is that you're not getting that anywhere from 2 to 10 to 15 even percent APY on your crypto being paid out weekly or monthly. They do have a lending platform, but you're not going to be automatically earning that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of gave you a breakdown, because I know this is requested by one of my viewers, on how to get USD into KuCoin. Obviously, it's a little bit of a pain if you're just trying to buy with strictly USD, but to get around those fees, I know most people have Coinbase, so it's an easy way to get around that by buying a token with very low fees and then transferring it over. So check out the links below if you don't have Coinbase or you don't have KuCoin and you want to try out KuCoin. Definitely check out the links below, and you can go ahead and earn some free crypto on those platforms or other exchanges. If you guys want to reach out to me, check out my socials below, join my Discord. Feel free to ask any other questions that you might have. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.